C730s. Of course, C denoting the convertible hinge here. All right. On this product, we've done a lot of things. We've first and foremost narrowed the bezels along the device, so you get a new 88% screen-to-body ratio. We've also moved the speakers from the bottom of the device to the top, so you get a little bit better audio experience because the speakers fire towards you.
From the keyboard? No,
from the sides here. So that's an improved audio experience, improved visual experience with the narrower bezels. On this product, internally we've updated it to Intel 10th generation, the 14 nanometer chipset. So you're going to get a little bit better performance. You're going to get also some of the Wi-Fi 6 capabilities on this product.
What's the main difference between 940 and 740?
So 940 obviously has the Dolby Atmos soundbar. You can configure the 940 with the better, more efficient 10 nanometer chipset. So a lot of internal component differences, slight design changes, differences. So on this product here, it won't have the two dual Thunderbolt 3 ports. But overall, this product, the idea behind this product is it's a little bit more mainstream, more affordable. This product starts out at €899, whereas the C940 starts out about €1399.
Nice. Is it also aluminum?
Yes, also aluminum, all aluminum build.
And very, very thin, light?
Yep, very thin and light. And I also have some specs here. Yep, for you.
Yeah.
So we have a 14-inch size and a 15-inch size device. And both of them will start around a similar price range. We're offered in this mica color and the iron gray color as well. And the usual specs as far as memory, storage, up to about 13 hours of battery life on these.
Also a stylus?
This one does not come with the stylus. It is compatible with pen, but that's an optional feature.
So that means you have to just buy the stylus?
Yeah,
you have to buy the version that supports it?
The panel supports the pen support. You just have to buy the pen optionally.